Happy birthday! How old are you today?
2. Jody, sit next to Nene. Happy birthday
from Elmo.
Happy birthday to you.
Natalie, do you feel another year older?
2.
You're 2?
Present.
Are you celebrating your birthday, Natalie?
She said, I got a little stuff. I'm going to make us swim today. What?
Can you put on my jacket, Lana? Oh, this new fishing line. My favorite.
She's done with you.
You like that?
She goes, don't.
I like it.
Pick it up and
When they were in Hawaii.
Happy birthday to you. Ready? Are you ready to blow? Oh my God. 1. No, you have booger nose. 2, 3, blow.
How old is Natalie?
Ancient. Each cupcake has 2 candles.
No. We're watching.
Okay. All right.
Can I help?
Now, why don't you help Natalie open one?
How old are you, Noah?
She's 2.5.
So how is it?
4?
4.5.
I got one in.
What's on your cup, Nene? Elephant? How old are you?
2.
2? What did you have for lunch? What did you eat for lunch? Eggs? And what did you eat for dinner?
Noah?
How about your kid?
Well,
Soup?
I'm going to drink my milk first.
Noah, what did you think of the birthday party?
Good. Ooh.
Good?
Oh, and she loves these flowers. So does Noah.
Yeah, and it's all the little pink stuff.
Okay.